In this video, you will learn how to create organization chart or organizational chart in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have generated this organization chart in Microsoft Excel. I have generated this organization chart according to the organization chart as shown in this figure. So let's start this tutorial. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, I have enlisted all ranks of that particular organization. To create a organization chart, select any blank cell. Go to insert option, and here you will find the option of illustrations. Click on this down arrow sign, and here you will find the option of SmartArt. Select this one. A pop-up window will be appeared. From here you will find different options. Choose hierarchy. Select this one, and I will choose this one, which is the organization chart. You can choose this one or this one according to your choice, but I will stick with this one. You can see here Microsoft Excel has provided the description of this chart. It is the organization chart used to show hierarchical information or reporting relationship in an organization. After selecting this one, simply click on OK. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has generated a hierarchy chart or organization chart. Place your cursor at these lines and you can place it according to your required place. You can resize this image using different handles which are present here in the form of these circles. For example, I will place my cursor here and I can resize it. Similarly, if I place my cursor here, a 4 arrow sign appeared here and I can drag it on required location. Now currently you can see here Microsoft Excel has generated organization chart, but it is not according to our requirement. For example, I want to generate the chart like this one. So firstly, there is the option of president. I will write president, select this one. And you can directly type president here. Alternately, click on this arrow sign and here you can write president. You can see here I have typed president here and it is depicted in this text box. Now you can see here there are 4 vice presidents in this organization. So I will delete this one, select this one. Now you can see here this text box is selected and press backscape to delete this one. Currently you can see here there are only 3 text boxes. I will add another one. Now I will write the name of vice presidents. I will place it here. Instead of typing, you can simply select this one, copy this one and paste it here. Now you can see here the text is changed now. Now instead of 1, I will copy 2, 1 cell and 2 cell. Copy this one. Select this one. When I paste it here, you will observe that Microsoft Excel will insert another text box. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has inserted another text box. If you want to delete this text box, simply select this one and press backscape. Now you will learn how to add another text box. Select this one, right click, and here you will find the option of add shape, and here is the option of add shape before. Select this one. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has inserted another text box and this shows the vice president account services. Copy this one. Click here. You can directly paste it here or you can paste it here. I will paste it here. Now you can see here the text is changed now. Now you can see here we have successfully created the president text box as well as vice president text box. Now I will add remaining ranks. Select this one, right click, and here you will find the option of add shape. From here I will choose add shape below. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has inserted another shape. I will select it again, right click, and here you will find the option of add shape. I will select add shape below. Currently you can see here two officer works under account supervisor. I will choose this one, which is the account supervisor text box. Right click, again go to add shape, and now I will choose add assistant. Select this one, again select this one, right click, go to add shape, and here you will find the option of add assistant. Click this one. Similarly, I will select other one, which is the vice president creative services, and I will add two text box below. Select this one, right click. Here you will find the option of add shape. From here I will choose add shape below. Again select this one, right click, and here you will find the option of add shape. From here I will choose add shape below. Similarly, select third one, right click. Here you will find the option of add shape. From here I will choose add shape below. Again select this one, right click, and from here I will choose add shape below. Now you can see here under vice president management services, three officers are working. So I will insert three text boxes. Select this one, right click. Here you will find the option of add shape. From here I will choose add shape below. Again select this one, right click, and from here I will again go to add shape option, and from here I will choose add shape below. Repeat this procedure third time. Add shape and add shape below. Now select this one and you can place it in another location. For example, I will move it here. Now you will learn how to format these text boxes. Select this text box, go to format, and here you will find the option of size. Select this one, and from here you can adjust the size of this text box. Similarly, you can use these handles to resize this text box. Under the vice president account services, two account supervisor are working. So I will write account supervisor here. Select this one, and here you will find the option of arrow sign. Select this one, and from here I will write account supervisor. Again type account supervisor. Under account supervisor, two officers are working, which are the account executive. I will write account executive, and it will be typed in these text boxes. Now you will learn how to format this text. Select this one. Now you can see here I have selected all these text. Go to home tab, and from here you can bold this. You can change the color of this text. You can even change the font size using this option. Similarly, you can type the text in remaining box. I will not type all text to save time. Now you will learn how to format these boxes. Select this one. Go to Format option. From here you can select Shape Fill. For example, I will select green. Similarly, you can select Shape Outline using this option. I will choose black color. If I again click here, you will find different option. You can adjust the width of this line. If you again go to Shape Fill option, you will find different option. You want to fill this shape with picture, gradients or texture, you can choose any one. Similarly, if you want to format all these text boxes, select any one. Now you can see here I have selected this text box. Now press Ctrl A and all text box will be selected, and you can change the shape fill as well as shape border. Similarly, you can also change the color of this line. For example, click here. Now you can see here this line is selected, and from here you can choose shape style. Additionally, you can also change the shape outline. If I again click here, you will find the option of SmartArt design. Click here. From here you will find the option of SmartArt style. You can choose any style. Similarly, if you go to change color option, you will find variety of options regarding color. Here is the option of layouts. You can also change this one into shape. Simply select this one and go to convert to shape option. Now you can see here it is converted to shape. You can move it here. Now you can see here we have successfully generated the organization chart in Microsoft Excel and conditionally format it according to our requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.